Once upon a time in a lush green jungle, there lived a tiny little bird named Pikki. She was cheerful, talkative, and full of life. Every morning, she would sit on a tree branch and chirp happily, waking up all the animals of the forest. One day, Pikki saw a huge elephant sitting silently under a tree. He looked very sad. She flew down and asked, "Hey, Mr. Elephant, why do you look so upset?" The elephant replied in a soft voice, "No one wants to be my friend. Everyone says I'm too big and scary." Pikki smiled and said, "Friendship isn't about size, it's about the heart." The elephant looked surprised. "You really want to be my friend, but you're so tiny." Pikki giggled and said, "I may be small, but I do big things." From that day on, they became best friends. Pikki would sit on the elephant's ear and tell him funny stories, and the elephant would carry Pikki around the jungle with his big, strong trunk. One day, a big storm hit the jungle. Trees started falling, and all the animals got scared. Pikki quickly flew to warn everyone, and the elephant used his strength to clear the paths and help the animals get to safety. When the storm was over, the animals cheered for Pikki and the elephant. The lion said, "Today, we learned something important. Being small or big doesn't matter. What matters is having a kind heart." Pikki looked at the elephant and said, "See, now everyone loves you." The elephant smiled and replied, "But you, Pikki, are my most special friend." And so, the tiny bird and the big elephant became the heart of the jungle, a symbol of true friendship. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids TV Online Learning.